Grandmaster Mario here. I am here to display all three of my dadish 2 segmented speedruns. So I'm gonna display my dadish 2 web, my dadish 2 mobile time, and my dadish 2 switch time. So yeah, here I go. I destroyed my own dadish 2 web world record by over 13 seconds since the last time or was it 16 seconds? I think it was 16 seconds since the last time. I can see when we're looking at the segmented. So I just beat my own dadish 2 web world record by over 15 seconds since the last time. Last time was well over a month. I got it down quite a bit. I got it down by about 7 seconds. About 7 seconds last month, and about 9 seconds already in July. And I know it is the first day of July right now. So we're still in July. Canada Day. Canada's birthday segmented. Yeah, so that's my segmented 25:29.190. And it is world record because no one else has submitted a segmented time for the web. No one else besides myself. In all three of the dadishes. And of course I got all three. So here's all my dadish 2 segmented put together. I got in total of under 75 minutes for all three of the dadish 2s put together. For all three of the dadish 2s put together, I now got a sub 75 minute time. That is an average of 25 minutes per each one. 24:59 for 930 for mobile. That's a top 5. For PC console, 24:29.280. So I got like a 49:30 time, a sub 49:30 time for both, and then, well, I just beat it by a lot, so plus another 25:29 for web. So all put together, I got a sub 75 minute time. The first ever sub 75 minute time for all three dadish 2s. For all three dadish 2 segmented. I've completed a segmented run for every dadish device in all three dadishes. More on that later. But anyways, yeah, Grandmaster Mario completed the 75 minute barrier for completion of dadish 2, I guess. Alright, Grandmaster Mario, that is it. Bye.